Your name is Elizabeth, and you're training to become a doctor. You're interning at a hospital, and you have a crisis on your hands. You're expecting a package that had medicine for your patients, and the medicine has not arrived. You find that there's been a shipping mix-up, and you don't have enough medicine for all of your patients that need it. A new shipment is coming in the morning, but your patients need their medication tonight, or they will be in a tremendous amount of pain. You have some medicine, but you know that you don't have enough to give each patient their full dose for the night. So, you decide to split the medicine that you do have equally among your patients. You have 2/3 of a liter of medicine solution, and 5 patients that need it. If each patient gets an equal amount, then how much medicine can you give to each patient? In order to help your patients, you need to know how to divide a fraction by a number. Here we have 2/3 of a liter of medicine, and you are dividing that by 5. The result will be how much medicine each of your patients can get. Fractions like this do look rather scary, and this tends to make us panic a little when we see them. One of the best things to do when you get into a weird math situation is to go back to the fundamentals. One fundamental principle is that you can always multiply anything by 1 and it won't change the thing's value. This principle of multiplying by 1 turns out to be a good way of doing this problem. First, let's see if we can simplify the numerator here and get rid of this 3. To get rid of the 3, we would have to multiply this 2/3 by 3. But if you want to multiply the top by 3, you also need to multiply the bottom by 3. Why? Well, take a look. You are multiplying by this guy, 3/3, and 3/3 simplifies to 1. So what you're really doing is multiplying by 1. Even though all you are doing here is multiplying by 1, here 1 is in this particular form, 3/3, and this particular form will help you out. Let's work with just the top half here. When we multiply 2/3 times 3, we get 2 times 3/3, and the 3 simplify, leaving us with 2/1, which simplifies to just 2. So that really cleaned things up on the top. Now let's take care of the bottom. 5 times 3 is 15. There you go. This is much simpler than what we started with. And remember, we didn't change the value of our original fraction anywhere, since all we did was multiply by 1. Excellent, Elizabeth. You have your answer. 2/3 of a liter of medicine divided into 5 equal parts is 2/15 of a liter. So, you measure out 2/15 of a liter of medicine for each patient and hope that it will last them through the night. That's a scary situation. Good job.